Hi friends. Today I am unboxing a portable camping stove that I bought for my upcoming road trip to Arunachal Pradesh this October 2025. I'll be traveling in my Bolero Neo N4, which has been surprisingly reliable and fuel efficient even after nearly 3 years. Now, about the stove, it cost me 1,500 rupees, and each butane canister costs around 150 rupees for the 225 gram variant. I'll be using two canisters today, one 225 gram and one 250 gram. Though they differ slightly in size, both fit perfectly into the slot. Let's begin the unboxing. Inside the box, the stove comes wrapped in a plastic cover. Once you remove that, you'll find a nozzle attachment that can be used to connect LPG cylinders or propane canisters. The body is made of good quality mild aluminium sheet, lightweight and sturdy. You'll also find a yellow sticker plate. Just take it out and place it in reverse over the aluminium burner. Now, open the canister chamber on the right. You'll see a lever and the canister adapter. Remove the protective cover from the nozzle, gently align the canister without pushing it in, and place the lever onto the notch around the neck. On the front panel, there's a lock lever, push it down, and it will automatically pull and lock the canister into place. Once locked, check for any continuous smell of butane or hissing sound. If you notice any leakage, release the lock, realign the canister, and try again. If the issue persists, please consult a qualified technician. This stove comes with a built-in non-electric igniter. Just turn the gas knob from off to the start on position marked in red, and you'll see the flame ignite. You can then adjust the flame as needed. Always read the safety instructions in the manual and use the stove in a well-ventilated, safe area. Keep children away while it's in use. Once the canister is securely fitted, close the chamber cover and you are good to go. And remember, before moving the stove, always remove the canister and replace the red nozzle cap to prevent accidental leakage. Now we are connecting another butane canister. This one weighs around 250 grams and is slightly different in size compared to the previous 225G canister. But as you can see, it fits perfectly into the slot and the stove works absolutely fine. The fitting procedure is exactly the same as with the previous canister, just align it properly, lock it in using the lever, and check for any signs of leakage before igniting. It's great to see that the stove handles both sizes without any issue, making it super convenient for travel use. Important disclaimer, this video is not sponsored or paid, I am simply sharing my personal experience with this product. Please practice all necessary precautions before using any gas-based equipment. The channel and video creators will not be responsible for any accidents or misuse. It's always best to consult a qualified technician for proper demonstration and safety guidance. If you are staying in or around Barsat in North 24 Pargana and looking for a portable camping stove or biker gear, there's a fantastic spot I recommend, Runaway Accessories, located just before Ganjimil Kajipada rail gate in Barsat. It's a bit of a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. The owner is genuinely helpful and takes the time to explain the products in detail, which makes the buying experience smooth and informative. The address and the contact number of the owner is given in the link. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more updates as I prepare for my Arunachal adventure.